Hello, I'm Trent Tillman, an Experience Cloud Solution Engineer in Healthcare and Life Sciences, and today I'm here giving you another 3-minute moment video and talking about ways to display a PDF in your Experience Cloud site. Well, the challenge here is that the way to display a PDF in an Experience Cloud site uses our new content management service, our CMS. And the challenge is that we added a content type called document to the default content types in CMS. This document type, when used in an Experience Cloud site, doesn't really work the way that you may think it does. So what is happening here? What's happening here is that this document type is basically showing in the field mappings that the image is linked to the source in the document type, but we don't see a graphic. So that's the problem. So we want to see a graphic or a preview of the PDF on the web page for that. We actually have that working here on the left. So what's going on? What's the problem with the document type? Well, if you look at the document type here, this is what's happening in CMS. In CMS, the source here is this PDF, and the image in the Experience Cloud page is not able to pull out the first page of this PDF. So it's not showing anything when we use it. This document type, content type document, should really not be used for displaying documents in a site. So what's the right way to do this? Well, the first thing to do is to create a content type that can do what you're trying to do with this default content type. In order to do that, you're going to go ahead and download the content type creator. So we're going to go ahead and look at content types, or use the content type creator. I think we actually may have released this. And we're going to go ahead and create a piece of content here by clicking the new button. I don't have time for that in my 3-minute moment, but suffice it to say, this blog post is one that I'm using that is able to have the fields that I need to display that, and that will be a link here to the PDF file that's uploaded into the asset library. As we get into the Salesforce asset library, we're going into files and then libraries, and create folders for that. We're going to go to 2020, and we're going to go ahead and add files and upload our PDF. Here we'll just take an existing one and we'll get the public link. So if you enable this in your organization, you can get that link. Once you have that link, it'll appear in a modal that I'll show in just a minute. So we've got that link here, and we're going to go ahead and go back to our workspace, and instead of using the document content type, we're going to go ahead and create the blog post content type that you saw before. Only this time, we're going to go ahead and paste our link to our PDF here, and then we'll go ahead and map that link to the headline or the button, depending on what it has in the Experience Cloud. So we've got that done here, and we're going to go back to the Experience Builder, and we're going to use this content type this time. In order to get the PDF to show up, we're going to go ahead and use JPEG that I got from the first page of the PDF. We're going to map that image here and upload that. Then we're going to go ahead and go down to the link section, and we're going to go ahead and map the link. Then somebody clicks the headline to link 1, which you just saw was going to that PDF. So once that's done, you've got something workable. So if we go ahead and click the preview button in the builder, click this issue, you can see that this comes up in a modal that's mobile friendly, that's fully responsive and ready to go. Thanks for watching this 3-minute moment. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you at my next episode.